This is our harvesting for today. Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. So this is our vegetable section where we had put our nursery. So this is the time that we can have some of them harvest. So there are a couple of things. We have it chili, we have it tomatoes, we have eggplants, and there is some other kind of vegetables. So just have a look. So as you can see that, mashallah. So this is how the chilies are growing, and this is the first time I have the exciting moment that plenty of chilies are in a row. So I'm in the middle of chilies plants. So as you can see that around, yes, we will start harvesting now. This is the eggplant. Where is the healthy eggplant? Yes. So from where to start?
Oh. May alak ta. Oh. May alak ta. Ano ka?
So
Start there so that you will.
we are starting from the
Yep.
so this is the first time. Yes. Well, we can take this one. No. Okay. How about this?
No.
Still need time, right?
Yeah. This one. This.
Maybe this one.
This.
How about this?
Like this.
This one also? But it's still small, right?
Okay. Next time. Automatic. Kamo lang. Ligas. Ligas. Itang ko lang samot din.
So this is the harvest. So far we have did it, and still there are so many. Need some little time. How about this tomato? How much time we need to harvest? So this is the tomato section. Yeah, I know, just I'm shooting the photo, mama, video. So, Alhamdulillah, we have a day that our vegetables are grown enough, and we have chilies over here, tomatoes over here, eggplants over there. So we can have the advantage of this our land and the farm which we have, it a backyard farm. So we have plenty of vegetables. So Alhamdulillah, with the grace of mighty Allah, we have couple of what we needed at right now for our consumption. So we had harvested, and still plenty of is there, especially the tomato. Maybe like another 5 to 7 days it will be prepared, and then we can come back again and we can harvest. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel, daily life stuff, because I have different contents related to so many different topics, and one of these vegetables, how we can do and we can grow and utilize our backyard farming into our vegetable farms. And it's so easy, and you can organize it. If you have a particularly small, even the area of land, you can arrange couple of you can plant it couple of different kinds of vegetables which you are interested in and which you are looking for your daily life consumption. So at least we have it, and we have the advantage, and we are utilizing into this kind of backyard farming vegetables. So wish you all the best, stay blessed and healthy. Assalamu alaikum. What are these vegetables? This is eggplants. So these are still small. So as you can see that those are also eggplants, but still they are not yet ready to give the fruit. So today we are going to visit our backyard vegetable farm, and maybe one of my previous video I had already mentioned about the area which. So we are going to visit our one of backyard vegetable farm, so which we have already prepared like a couple of months back, and we had spent our time and we had planted vegetable nursery, and this is how we had planted and we had grown for our daily consumption.
Sa bagay, nag-high school ka, nasyonalan. St. Mary's ka. Elementary. Maturing ko.
Tsaka mo.
Nakapis kami apo.
Pay Mike. Lumuman. I just want to interrupt my video only.